Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned GLC 300 4MATIC Coupe. This one's black. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This one does have the night package, which is going to give you black accents on the front, side, and rear of the exterior. The AMG line, which is going to give you an AMG body styling with brushed aluminum sports pedals. For wheels, we've got 20-inch AMG multi-spoke wheels with black accents. The tires are in good condition. Exterior lighting package with active LED headlamps and adaptive high beam assist. Black MB-Tex interior, sunroof. GLC 300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, brushed aluminum trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel, driver's assistance package with Distronic. We've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, surround view backup cameras with sensors, dual climate controls, a natural grain black ash wood center console, hard keys for media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLC Coupe has 26,674 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC Coupe, check out feldmanimports.com.